don't even know where I was going with this.
Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to Spaghetti Noobs.
You sure you can?
Hey guys, Spaghetti Noob here. Today we are doing a quick unboxing, initial thoughts, and eventually we'll have a whole review, essentially in this video or the next video, for this Presto digital electric dehydrator. So we're looking into some food dehydrators, and this is the one that we picked. So we got a lot of uses for it here, or at least we think we do. We're not sure, we'll find out. But before we get into that, please make sure you destroy that like button. Would greatly appreciate it here at the channel. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you are subscribed. And then, of course, destroy that notification bell as well, so that way you guys get alerted for new videos. With that being said, let's get on to the quick unboxing. We'll see what this is. So here's a quick box. Looks like they have, I think, jerky recipe on that side. I don't really look at it. Space saving. So while we go through this, one of the reasons why I chose this one to give it a shot, it had a lot of reviews. We had like 4.5 reviews out of like 6,000. That's usually pretty good. I did read a lot of the reviews, and it did say it did have a lot of, you know, I always read the 1-star reviews. Cut away from the body. But I figured to give it a shot. Didn't want something too crazy for my first one. Alright, so let's maybe do this. One of the reasons also I picked this one is that it's supposed to be compact compared to the other ones. Now, let's do the trick that we did in the helmet unboxing. Alright, which way is down? I think this way down? Will it fall? Will it fall? Huh? 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 It might fall. Alright, we put the box down. Looks like it's pretty up all together. I don't know what the top or bottom is. I think it's this way. We'll find out. So it's compact, pretty nice. Styrofoam. Gotta go this way. I'm supposed to store nice, and some of the ones I saw, they were stacking up real high. I mean, you can't really see my face, but I guess it's okay. I could do one of these. Oh, you can still see me. That was kind of slow. Woo! R&B bowl. Let's try it again. I don't even know where I was going with this. But oh, they stack up really tall. Like really tall. You can't even see it in the video. Because they can be expanded, some of them to 12 trays, even one of them was 30 trays, but where am I going to keep all of that? So I figured get something simple to start with. Maybe I do adjust it a little. So let's see, we got the top here, looks like. And also this unit, it has electric controls. So looks like that's your top lid. Put it right back on the foam. This thing is way bigger than I expected. From the pictures, I thought it was tiny. And oh no, not from the pictures. From like, you see it, it looks like it's tiny, but then when you look at like reviews and stuff. Alright, bag is there. Let's see what's at the bottom. Electric cord. Come on. Let me see what you have to offer. Cool, so electric cord has this nice little spot right here that it can come out of. Looks like it come out from the other sides as well. I think right here, these are handles, I think. They see them like handles, they feel like handles. They're very ergonomic. Right there. And here. Let's get the tape off of here. Don't need that right now. What is this? Jerky? Classic jerky cure. Cool. Instructions for jerky. Check that out. Maybe we'll do some of that. When the videos I saw when they were in here, the manufacturer videos, they were making jerky with the jerky gut. I did not know that existed, and they were using ground beef. I always thought jerky was sliced meat, like sliced steaks or something, and then they dry it out and cure it, or they cure it and dry it out. I didn't think it was ground beef. Oh, it actually has assembly instructions. Look at that. And it has manual. The manual there, assembly instructions. Remove tray. Step 1. Do I have to read this all? Remove tray from cover unit. Each tray has a smooth surface on one side and a raised ribs on the reverse side. Oh, these are the fruit roll sheets. So you can get either canned applesauce or canned fruit, or if you make your own jam, you just lay it on here and then you make basically your own fruit roll-ups. I'm not going to read the instructions. I think it's pretty straightforward. There's also these mesh sheets. This is for not 100% some kind of mash of sorts that you don't want to use a fruit roll sheet, that you still need it to go through, maybe absorb the air. I don't know. I think I have a perfect use for this, so we'll see. And then here are the actual trays. So the way it stores, from what I was reading from the manufacturer's site, is they should go upside down. Well, let's take all these trays out and then we'll take a look. So it looks like this is all enclosed, and it does have, that's cool. So in a lot of the reviews I was reading, it was saying that there was a hole in the center where juices would flow in, and one person even said it started to smoke after meat juice was getting down in there. But this one looks like there's a mesh screen to protect it, so meat juice might still get in there. And it looks like you can actually see part of the motor assembly right down here at the bottom, kind of at an angle. Oh, and there's also these hooks, looks like, for the cord to wrap around, so perfect for storage. Alright, so one of the things that I was saying is one of the reasons I picked this one was because of all the storage features about it. You can wrap the cord around, and it lays flat just as you saw in the beginning, you know. Basically just like this, and takes up minimal counter space, even though we'll probably be running it quite often. So let's see. I think these are handles. It says always begin with the tray with handles. Load food onto smooth side of tray. The ribbed side should be facing down towards the counter. Stack loaded trays onto unit, always beginning with tray handles. Alternate with tray without handles. Stack loaded trays onto unit, always beginning with tray with handle, alternate with trays without. Oh, okay. Place clear cover over the stacked trays. The word on the cover handles this side up, the face up. Alright, I think it's pretty straightforward. So, start one with handles. This one doesn't have handles. Oh, another reason why I picked this one was because it came with a decent amount of regular trays as well as expandable trays. While some of the entry models, you know, came with just 4. So it said ribbed side down. So this is the side that's down. This is the side that's up. I said alternate tray handles without handles. Handle, handle. Not handle. Oh, I see. So this is reverse. That's quite clever. So the one with handle, the handle goes down. And you can see the ribbed side here that has these, like the marks, so it should be flush. So that just kind of sits, like it just fits right in. Then the ones without handles alternate, and the same ribbed side is down, but it's reverse. And then there's going to be another one with handles. It's going to be upside down, well, or right side up. Yeah, it just like kind of fits right in. So pretty cool, unique design. The no handle one will go upside down, flush side. It's flush. This one I can't, well, I guess I can, but it stops. Then the next one with handles, handle side down. That is really cool, really neat. So there you go. You can use the mesh inserts or fruit roll sheets as you like inside the various ones. They just fit right inside. So far, no issue. Mesh sheet for fun. Fruit roll sheet. Locks in. And then the lid just sits on top. And it looks like it even has a couple of, what does it say? Like instructions or guides. Herbs, spices, and seeds at 35 degrees Celsius or 95 Fahrenheit. Vegetables, 52 degrees Celsius or 125 Fahrenheit. Fruits, 57 degrees Celsius or 135 Fahrenheit. Jerky, meat, fish, 71 degrees or 160 Fahrenheit. Let's turn this around. And that's it. So this one, you could expand it. I want to say it was up to 12 trays if I'm not mistaken, which is basically double this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. Yeah, 6 regular trays plus 2 fruit trays and 2 mesh trays. I think that's a really good bargain for your first one to try. And you can expand up to 12, I believe, on this unit. I'll probably wash it. I'm sure there's like first use instructions, but I'll probably wash it. Let's check the manual real quick. Hey, look at that. They have a little picture on how it all goes together. Oh, my GoPro looks like it angled. So yeah, food on surface, raised ribs should go down. How to assemble, how to use digital control, how to use non-stick, how to use fruit roll, general information. I'll probably read through all of this, see if there's anything specific and how we use it. Fruit rolls, also called as fruit leather. How do I find out if I should clean it? Wow, there's a whole bunch of information on how to, what temperature to set it at, how long to set it at, even for various types of fruit, common fruit, which is really cool. So this, like, you don't have to, search the interwebs for some of this stuff. Now, I'm going to plug it in and turn it on, just so we can hear what it sounds like. I don't see... Oh, here we go. Care, cleaning, and storage. Remove plug from while out before cleaning. Wash dehydrator trays and cover in warm water with a mild detergent or in a dishwasher. The fruit roll trays and the mesh screens should be washed in warm soapy water. Do not wash using dishwasher. If necessary, a soft brush may be used to loosen dry food particles. Do not use steel wool, scouring pads, or abrasive cleaners. After each use, check the screen with the covers in the center hub of the base platform. That's what I showed you. To make sure it's free from food, liquid, or grease residue. If screen is dirty, lift it off and wash in warm soapy water. Rinse dry. Wipe away any food, liquid, grease residue from the base platform using a damp cloth. Do not immerse the dehydrator base in water or other fluids. Yeah, that's where the motor is. Before stacking the trays under the base for storage, turn the base upside down and wrap the cord around the center of the clips. Under the clips. For compact storage, stack each tray onto the base of all the tray with handles are upside down, raised ribs facing up. Cool. So, looks like everything is dishwasher safe except for, it didn't say if this was, but the mesh was not dishwasher safe. And at the same time, the fruit tray is not dishwasher safe. So, hand wash only. And do not submerge the entire unit. And this part right here, so just lift this part up and clean this off. So, pretty simple. So how do I go back in? This clips right in. So pretty simple. I did read some of the reviews. Someone said that they can put aluminum foil down here just to protect it. But I don't know if I'm going to do that. We'll see how it is. So let's quickly turn it on and see how loud it is. Maybe how the controls are. Alright, plugged it in. Hopefully it's not DOA. Oh, it's on. Start, stop. Looks pretty simple. What does that other side say? temp level, or temp. And this side is start stop. So I think this is hours, so we can hit the temp level. What does it change to? Oh, it's selection, so it's like a clock. So I click temp level, I'm gonna hit plus, go up, cool down. I switch back to temp level, and this is hours. By 30-minute increments, 2:30, 2, and then I'm gonna hit start. Can you guys see that? There is a shadow. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Don't do that. Hit start. So that's pretty loud. I didn't think it'd be that loud. So here's me just talking with the mic normally. You can feel the fan blowing through. Here's it with me right by the mic. Spaghetti noobs. All right, so I'm just gonna put the mic closer. All right, let's hit stop. Hey, and that's it. So it seemed pretty simple and straightforward. What I'm going to do is I am probably just going to wash everything and then give it a quick go. Prep the food, and then we'll probably make another video of us using it and having initial thoughts. So please make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.